Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Zingy cheese noodles, only way. Begin by boiling noodles until just tender, then drain and reserve some cooking water. Toss hot noodles with a citrusy cheese sauce, adding reserved water to loosen the texture and help the sauce cling. Finish with fresh herbs, a squeeze of lime, and optional chili flakes for extra kick. Taste and adjust salt and acidity before serving warm to enjoy immediate zing. Gather ingredients before you start cooking to keep the process smooth and fast. Measure noodles, grate cheese, and squeeze a lime so everything is ready to combine. Keep a few tablespoons of noodle water aside after draining. It is key for loosening the sauce. Warm the cheese gently so it melts evenly and does not seize. With everything prepped, you can move quickly through the steps and lock in the bright, tangy flavors. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, a perfect companion for relaxed kitchen reading or following recipes hands-free while you cook. It is lightweight, glare-free, and easy to hold between steps. Check the description for the link and other deals and pick one up if you want to read on the go. Now let's get back to the video. Start by boiling noodles until just tender, then quickly drain and reserve 2 tablespoons of the starchy cooking water. In a warm bowl, whisk grated cheese with lime juice and 1 tablespoon of reserved water until you get a smooth, glossy sauce. Add the hot noodles and toss thoroughly so the sauce coats every strand. Taste and add salt or more lime if needed, then sprinkle cilantro and chili flakes for a lively finish before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.